Hi guys, this is Alpha Moon Day 7 Driftwood Wreath. For supplies, you'll need driftwood, whatever you plan to decorate with. I use strips of fabric, ribbon and yarn, scissors, and glue. Create a circle with driftwood. Then add glue between the pieces. I added glue using a toothpick and I did this one section at a time. I used wood glue at first, but it didn't bond strongly, so I ended up using E6000. Wait for it to dry completely. Then decorate it. I double knotted the strips and shortened the ends. Make a loop, hang it, and your driftwood wreath is done.